Mobil 1 was my default recommendation to every customer who walked through my shop door for most of my career. 35 years of recommending it, putting it in my own vehicles, and defending it to people who asked if cheaper oil would work just as well. Then 3 things happened that made me change my recommendation, and I want to tell you exactly what they were because they affect what you should be running in your truck right now. If you've been using Mobil 1 for years because a mechanic you trust told you it was the best, this video isn't going to tell you to throw it out. But it is going to tell you when something else is better and why I made the switch. The first thing that changed my thinking was the rise of turbocharged direct injection engines in American trucks. When Ford put the EcoBoost in the F-150, when GM started rolling out turbocharged engines, and when Ram started offering turbo options, a new engine protection concern showed up that Mobil 1 wasn't designed around. It's called low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, and it's a failure mode specific to turbocharged direct injection engines where combustion happens at the wrong moment and can shatter pistons. Research showed that oil contamination in the combustion chamber plays a role in LSPI events, and that the cleanliness of the base oil matters. Pennzoil Platinum uses a gas-to-liquids base oil refining process that starts with natural gas rather than crude oil. The result is a measurably lower impurity content and documented lower deposit formation in direct injection engine testing compared to conventional synthetic base oils, including the base oil in Mobil 1. When you're talking about an F-150 EcoBoost or a 2.7 Turbo Silverado, Pennzoil Platinum is the better choice. That wasn't something I could say in 1995. I'm saying it now. The second thing that changed my thinking was AMSOIL and the extended interval math. I resisted AMSOIL for years because the price per quart felt like a luxury item for most of my customers. Then I sat down and did the math that I should have done years earlier. AMSOIL Signature Series, at about $14 per quart, runs about $65 for a 5-quart change. Their rated interval is 25,000 miles. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic, at about $6.50 a quart, runs about $32 for the same change at a 10,000-mile interval. Over 100,000 miles of driving, which is what most of my customers do in 5 to 7 years, AMSOIL costs about $260 in oil. Mobil 1, at 10,000 miles, costs $320. AMSOIL's performance numbers in wear testing, heat resistance, and cold flow are measurably better than Mobil 1 in every category. I had been dismissing a product that was better and cheaper per mile because the per-quart price felt expensive. That was a mistake I want to correct here. The third thing was watching the budget synthetic market catch up. When Valvoline reformulated for API-SP and ILSAC GF6, they produced an oil at $22 to $24 that passes the same certification tests as Mobil 1. When I started seeing the internal condition of engines that ran Valvoline Advanced on proper 5,000-mile schedules, I had a harder time justifying the $8 to $10 premium for Mobil 1 to my regular customers who were watching their budget. The truth is that for a daily driver doing normal city and highway use with consistent oil changes, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic protects the engine just as well as Mobil 1 in the real-world conditions those engines actually see. The gap that existed between them in 1990 has narrowed dramatically. Here's what that means in practical terms for you. I still recommend Mobil 1. I want to be clear about that. For a guy who does his own oil changes every 5,000 miles, drives a non-turbo engine and wants a proven brand with decades of performance data behind it, Mobil 1 Full Synthetic is a solid, legitimate choice. I'm not walking back any of that. But I'm also telling you that it is no longer my automatic first answer for every engine and every use case. If you drive a turbocharged direct injection truck, any EcoBoost F-150, any turbocharged Silverado, any turbocharged Ram, my default recommendation in 2026 is Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic for its LSPI protection advantage and cleaner base oil chemistry. Go to Walmart, grab the 5-quart jug in your owner's manual specified viscosity for about $25. If you're committed to extended drain intervals and you're willing to do an oil analysis to verify your inspec, AMSOIL's Signature Series at their rated interval is the most cost-effective premium synthetic on a per-mile basis. Set up a preferred customer account on their website and run the Signature Series in your engine's specified grade. If you're on a budget and you change oil on time every 5,000 miles, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic at $22 to $24 at Walmart will protect your engine. I've seen it come out of engines at 5,000 miles in condition that impressed me. Mobil 1 lost its default spot on my recommendation list not because it got worse, it didn't, but because the competition got better and the engine technology changed. That's the honest truth after 35 years. I've dropped links to everything I mentioned in the description below. The Pennzoil, the AMSOIL, the Valvoline, in the right viscosities for common truck engines. Everything I'd actually buy is right there for you. Next time I'm going through 9 cars and trucks that mechanics know will last, engines that just refuse to die. And I'll tell you what makes them different from the ones that fall apart at 150,000 miles. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.